So is there anyone who would like to volunteer? कोही हुनुहुन्छ भने let me know, okay? लियो पारस पवन कोही हुनुहुन्छ?
हजुर साह्रो हुन्छ त्यो।
ल मलाई यो भोलिन्टियर गरेर ल मलाई 1 देखि 10 सम्म चाहिँ हो होइन मात्र भन्नुहोस् है त इङ्ग्लिस वर्ड हो जस्तो लाग्छ भने just say it is English word then if you feel like it is not English word then just say I don't know, okay?
ओके ओके।
So let's begin.
ओके फर्स्टको चाहिँ हो,
Mhm.
इट इज।
Second
सेकेन्डको
go.
नो,
Mhm.
थर्डको यस,
Mhm.
फोर्थको नो, फिफ्थको
Mhm.
यस,
Mhm.
सिक्सको नो, सेभेनको
Mhm.
यस,
Mhm.
एटको नो,
Mhm.
नाइनको यस, टेनको नो।
No. So answer check गर्ने हो?
हजुर चेक गरौँ।
ल सो आन्सर के थियो त भन्दाखेरि फर्स्टको यस थर्ड 5 9 राइट यु वर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट है सबै मिल्यो है सो अब अरू को हुनुहुन्छ भन्दाखेरि एनीवन एल्स वुड लभ टु ट्राई लियो ट्राई गर्नुहुन्छ
हजुर
सो गो फ्रम 11 टु 20
11 को चाहिँ हो 12 को होइन 13 को हो 14 को होइन 15 को हो 16 को ग्ल्यान्ड होइन 17 को हो 18 को वर्न त्योमा कन्फ्युज छु अलि 18 मा चाहिँ
अब त्यस्तो केसमा के गर्ने भनेको थिएँ अघि मैले त्यस्तो कन्फ्युज भएको केसमा मैले के गर्नु भनेको थिएँ अघि नै मजाले प्रोनाउन्स गर्नु सुनेको जस्तो लाग्छ भने गो विथ इट होइन भने होइन भनेर जानुस्
होइन भन्दिन चाहिँ यो गल्ती चाहिँ वर्ड अनि 90 को चाहिँ यस अनि 20 को नो
चेक गर्ने आन्सर्स
हजुर
ल 11 12 ल सबै मिलेछ है सबै ल ठिक छ थ्याङ्क यू सो नेक्स्ट हु इज नेक्स्ट भन्दाखेरि सो पारस I would like to ask you to try this as well. So since we have very few people, try it, okay?
Okay, sir.
So try from 21 to 30.
21 bread correct. 22 incorrect. 23 correct. 24 incorrect. 25 is correct. 26 is incorrect. 27 is correct. 28 is incorrect. 29 is correct. Only 30 is incorrect.
Okay, let's check your answers. You are correct. सबै यसमा त random order मा नरहेछ है odd even गरेर रहेछ it's fine. So let's begin with next questions, okay? So this is quite medium part. So whoever is speaking right now, it was Paras, right? So Paras, would you please answer from 51 to 90, 60?
Yes, sir. Happiness is correct. Flounder is not correct. Knowledge is correct. Brackle is incorrect. Development is correct. Normal is not correct. Education is correct. Drindle is not correct. Environmental is correct. Gland is not correct. Sorry, कस्तो
Okay.
सबै randomly
सबै
राख्नु
odd
भएको
even मा त्यही त यो odd even मा भएछ मैले क्वेसन राम्ररी I forgot to recheck it. It's fine. So what you need to do simply is let me rearrange those questions, okay? What you need to simply do is you need to as I have mentioned earlier So you need to simply know. If you have no, if you got no idea about what the word is, then simply what you need to do, simple term, you just need to read it aloud. Then, if you feel like it is you have never heard that word in English language, then it is probably you have never. It is probably you never have heard it. Okay. So let me do it once again. I'll rearrange those. Okay. Mm, Let me remove few of it. Then it will be much easier for you to do that. Okay. Just let me prepare questions. Okay. So that you will be. Let me do once again. Hold on. Sorry that it's taking quite a time, but it's fine. Okay. Mhm. Mm, so let me hold on. Okay. So I'll type these questions in the chat, and I would like to request all of you to answer it one by one. Okay. So this one is quite hard one, and since it is quite hard, you guys can take your time and just answer it. Okay. So starting, who would like to start? Either Paras or Pawan. Who would like to start? Or Leo? Anyone? So Paras, please start one from 1 to 10. So this is the hardest one.
Ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. First, कता हराएछ
Chat मा देख्या छ होला chat एकचोटि खोल्नुहोस् त. Please open your chat. इसको chat देख्या छ?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Ubiquitous is maybe correct.
Okay.
Two is incorrect. Three is incorrect. Four
Mm-hmm.
is incorrect. Five
Mm-hmm.
is incorrect. Six is incorrect. Seventh is incorrect. Eighth is incorrect.
Okay.
Ninth is auspicious. Incorrect. Tenth is
Okay.
all incorrect. Just one is correct, sir.
So that is what you got, right? So let me tell you the real answers, okay?
Okay, sir.
So first is correct. Second is correct. So it is the first word is pronounced as ubiquitous. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The second word is ephemeral. It is also correct. The third word, glavion, it's incorrect. It is not in the English vocabulary. The fourth word, of obfuscate, is correct. Okay. And the fifth word, conundrum, is also correct. But the sixth word, flavix, is incorrect. And the seventh word, ineffable is correct. Cravion is correct. Perspicacious is correct. And Sandor is Incorrect. Snandor. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So these are the toughest question you can find. Alright? यो चाहिँ सबैभन्दा गाह्रो क्वेसन्स हो है त्यही भएर you don't need to worry. यस्तो गाह्रो क्वेसन्स चाहिँ there might be few of it. Out of 10 to 15, there might be 2 to 3 very hard questions, so you don't need to worry about it. So how to answer these sort of questions is in case of ubiquitous. So if you pronounce it right, then you might think you might have heard somewhere or the pronunciation or the words that are right after, for an example, the vowels and the consonants make a proper sound, ubiquitous. So it sounds like a word, right? So it is a real word. However, in case of glavion, it sounds like a word. However, it is not a real word because glavion it has no meaning in English word. That's why it is not an English word. Got it? So कसरी चाहिँ आइडेन्टिफाई गर्ने त भनेर भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ सिम्पली अब वर्ड आफूले आफ्नो भोकाबुलरी यु गाइज निड टु इम्प्रुभ यर भोकाबुलरी सो हाउ टु इम्प्रुभ यर भोकाबुलरी go through dictionary. So if you have ever gone through dictionary, ubiquitous is a very common word in dictionary. Similarly, ephemeral is also a very common word. So go through dictionaries. There are multiple options. There are online dictionaries as well. So apart from dictionaries, what you can do is go through blogs, blogs, blogs. All right. So if you go through blogs, then you will be able to find new words and underline new words whichever you find, and after underlining, write the meaning of it. So that will, in that way, you will be able to increase your vocabulary. All right. So another thing, if you don't have any idea, if you have no idea at all about what is going on, then simply pronounce the word very loudly. Simply after pronouncing it, just think about it, whether you have ever heard or whether it can be used in English language or not. Just think about it, then answer and go with your guts. All right? बुझ्नुभयो नि? So I would like to request Leo from 11 to 20, please. 11 to 20. Leo, are you there? Oh, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. एक सेकेन्ड भइसक्यो
Okay.
Sir. 11 is correct.
Hmm.
Black version. 12 is not correct.
Okay.
13 is correct.
Okay.
14 is not correct.
Okay.
15 is not correct.
Okay.
16 is not correct.
Okay.
70 is not correct.
Okay.
18 is not correct.
Okay.
90 is not correct.
Okay.
20 is correct.
Correct. So
Uh,
let me tell your answers. Okay.
hmm.
So mellifluous, it's correct. Blavion, it's incorrect. Esoteric, it's correct. Locaxious, it's correct. Frabion, incorrect. Frovex, Frorvex, incorrect. Petrichor, correct. Sesquipedalian, correct. Corvion, incorrect. And Snorvexe, incorrect as well. Get that?
Yes, sir.
So मैले अघि पनि भनेको थिएँ यस्तो if questions as such are occur, then please do not worry, do not fret, okay? डराउनु पर्दैन, आत्तिनु पर्दैन, because questions like these are very rare in occurrence, right? So you don't need to worry about it. So you just simply try the method which I mentioned earlier. So
Yes.
try to go through the words, right? Then you will have answers, okay?
Yes, sir.
यसलाई इम्प्रुभ गर्ने टिप्स चाहिँ मैले अघि भनेकै हो इम्प्रुभ गर्नलाई चाहिँ वाट यु निड टु डु इज गो थ्रु द भोकाबुलरी increase your vocabulary by going through dictionaries, read novels. If even if you don't like, read novels. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So another, would you like to try again from 30 to 30, 31 to 35?
Yes, please.
So please go ahead.
31 देखि 35 सम्म
31 देखि 35 सम्म.
31 is correct,
Hmm.
32 is not correct,
Okay.
33 is not correct,
Okay.
34 मा त not correct मानौँ,
Hmm.
35 is not correct.
Okay. यसमा चाहिँ just you just got one wrong है अरू सबै मिलाएछ 31 correct 32 incorrect 33 incorrect 34 correct 35 incorrect okay
अनि 34 को चाहिँ मिनिङ चाहिँ के हुन्छ?
यसको एक्ज्याक्ट मिनिङ चाहिँ फ्लोकिनलिफिकेसन इट मिन्स आई थिङ्क टु कुनै कुरालाई चाहिँ जस्तै फ्लोकुलेन्ट भनेको चाहिँ जस्तै ठ्याक्क भन्न आएन त्यो थेग्रो थेग्रो बस्ने भन्छ इन नेपाली लेट मी सर्च द एक्ज्याक्ट मिनिङ ओके इन गुगल सो इट सिम्पली मिन्स it simply means flocculation it simply means to action it means action or habit of estimating something as worthless so कसैको बानी हुन्छ नि केही कुरा वर्थलेस हुने भन्ने जस्तै कोही मान्छेले अज्युम गरिदिन्छ द्याट एबिसी इज वर्थलेस ओके हो त्यस्तो बानीलाई चाहिँ यो वर्डले डिस्क्राइब गर्छ प्रोनाउन्सिएसन कसरी गर्छ थाहा छ इट इज प्रोनाउन्स्ड एज फ्लक्सिनोसिनिलिफिकेसन हिलिफिलिकेसन अलराइट
Yes, sir.
सो यस्तो गाह्रो वर्ड्सहरू चाहिँ एकदम रेयरली आउँछ है तपाईँहरूलाई तर यु निड टु बी अवेर अफ हाउ दिज वर्ड्स वर्क ओके सो I'll tell you something about Duolingo as well. So if you want to try and practice Duolingo over and over, you can do it via Duolingo app itself. Okay. So Duolingo app को कसले चलाउनु भएको छ यहाँ सबैले चलाउनु भएको छ होला नि है So if you are familiar with Duolingo application, then त्यहाँ चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि there are a lot of practice materials available for free. So you can simply go there, practice over and over and over again. So and my genuine suggestion is you for to increase your vocabulary के गर्नु त भन्दाखेरि you need to go through dictionary, you need to read novels, you need to read blogs. Okay. सजिलो सजिलो वर्ड्सहरू पनि आउँछ कति केसेसमा तर कति केसेसमा भेरी hard type of word might also be asked in few questions. Alright, and as I mentioned earlier, Duolingo is an adaptive learning system. So real time में के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि if you tend to score very low, then it will give you quite comparatively easier question. But if you tend to score very good and if you have very good scores, if you to tell the system correct answers, then it will slightly raise the level of your questions. Okay. त्यही भएर त्यस्तो आत्तिनु चाहिँ पर्दैन यस्तो गाह्रो क्वेसन चाहिँ एकदम रियरली मात्र आउँछ अहिले चाहिँ जस्ट आई ह्याड टु गिभ यु एन एक्जाम्पल द्याट्स वाइ I did not understand what do you mean KDS 112C. I did not understand. Okay, so that is what you need to do. So do you have any sort of what do you mean? Okay, he just unmuted himself. It's fine. So today we discussed about what is the either the word given is real or not and how to identify it. All right, so first method, you look at the sentence, you look at the letters. So if you feel like the vowels and consonant letters are in line and if it makes sense, then that is very fine. So another method, improve your vocabulary. So if you have a good vocabulary, then what you need to do is after just looking at the word, then you will simply know whether it is an English word or not. So another thing, if you have no idea about that word, if you have never heard that word, or if you have never seen that word ever before, then what do you need to do is simply pronounce the word as correctly as you can. Then think about it whether it sounds right, it sounds just or not. Then answer it accordingly. All right. So any queries regarding these questions? Do any of you have any queries? Leo Paris and KD S12C. Do you guys have any queries? Are you there? Hello, guys. So today I think we will be doing this much only because I had very